In this tutorial, I will show you how to add Spotify songs to a Canva presentation. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can create one for free. Once you are on the Canva home page, click Create a Design in the top right corner. Next, select Presentation to open a new presentation canvas. You can choose a template or start with a blank presentation depending on your project. After your presentation opens, go to Spotify in your browser and find the song you want to add. Click the three dots next to the song, then select Share and copy the Spotify link. Now, return to your Canva presentation. Click the Apps section on the left side menu and search for Embed. Open the Embed tool and paste the Spotify link you copied. Click Add to Design and the Spotify player will appear on your slide. You can resize and move the Spotify player anywhere on your slide to match your layout. This will allow viewers to see and open the Spotify track directly from your presentation. Finally, review your slide and click Share, then download if you want to export your presentation.